Hi guys, so this is a flip through of my journal that I completed that I'm super happy with. I completed like 3 other journals too, so I will make process videos of how I create the covers for them. But this was a really fun cover to make, and I will definitely have this video out before, the cover video out before I do the flip through. So this is how it looks. It's really pretty. I did this beautiful collage that I absolutely love with tissue paper, and like all this is like dollar store scrapbooking paper and washi tape and a little bit of paint and stickers, so those are fun to use. Very cool. So on the insides I did covers that are collage too. I definitely love to collage. I love to use all my scraps in that way, so I just made a collage. The first page I did a list, which I love list journaling, so I did to remember. So I said, love deeply, to laugh lots, and to create every day. And this was a page that I did for my class, so it's really fun. A little bit of washi tape. Very fun page. And then this was another one that I did for my class. The poor butterfly's falling apart though. I didn't think about that when I put it in there. But I am probably going to fix that by adding a piece of tape, clear packing tape or something over it, just to protect it a little bit more. And it says use your ring. So I did a really cool background, and then I added this really beautiful image, and this is from a calendar. So it's really cool. And I colored in some of the wings gold. And then this is one of my ugly faces. So I just did it with pen, and it was on tissue paper, and I just glued it to kind of a background that I stenciled and did a few things too. So I like it. It's not pretty, but it's not supposed to be. She's just supposed to be fun. And then this is one of my favorite techniques where you kind of just have leftover paint and you just doodle on top of it. So that's a really fun page that I love. And then this one says, don't let anyone ever dull your sparkles. So these are like made with watercolors. You have to be really careful though with the cardstock, but I did do it, and then I added like some glittery glitter on top, and then I added just some sparkle to add a little bit of sparkle. And then I did the 10 facts about me, and I think this was a spread for an art journaling class that I did. I do new pages every time I do every time there's a new class, there's 4 new pages. So it's really interesting. They're like for beginners, but it's really fun. So 10 facts about me. So really fun. Interesting facts. Like, I love to laugh, which is true. My favorite movie is Ever After, which was true at that point. But I was thinking, like, I love a bunch of movies. I really like romance movies, especially set in, like, historical romance movies. Really cool. I love Jane Austen. She's probably one of my favorite authors. Yeah. So I do like that movie. I love to salsa dance, which I haven't done in a while, but it's really fun. I took a class with my mom. My favorite food is pizza. That is still true. I do love children. And I traveled to Israel. I love God. And I have 300 books, which is true. And I love candy. I am a total candy person. I love candy. All kinds of candy. So I just did a quick little like list page that was fun with markers. And then this we did in a class. And this was actually the page that I made in the class. And this is like a suggestion, because I always like have examples of what I'm talking about. So this is found poetry, but with a colorful background. So that was fun. And then this is an image transfer with washi tape and scraps. Standing in the shelter of the archway, like a sleepwalker, considering carefully, God knows you. I thought that was really pretty. A cheery hello, bright shining eyes, young faces brought sunshine into bloom. Thought that was kind of beautiful scene for these ladies. Maybe they have a story. And then this one is balanced. So these were made with watercolors, and I just gessoed the page. So I really like how the watercolors interact. And we did like a mandala, like where you make a circle and then you just add like simple doodles inside. It was supposed to be meditative. So I did this page first, and then I came home and did this page, and I really love how it turned out. Balance, kind of yin and yang, right? And then this one I think I did on video with you guys, and this is again found poetry, but it's blackout. So it says, it has a little thing that it says, and then there's flowers. These were on like a creative book handout that I got from Joanna's. So you can definitely just use stuff that you find as ephemera in your journal. So I have a video about that. I'll link below. Bloom, my love, bloom. So I like that because it has all those beautiful flowers and roses, and I love roses. And then these are some collage flowers that I did in one of my classes with a really cool background. So I like how those turned out. That's a fun one. And then this one was scrape paint, and then I love to add quotes in my journal. So this says, be faithful in the small things because in them your strength lies. So I really like that. Yeah, and I just added doodles and did a lot of really cool lettering, which is fun. And I didn't realize this, but I love to like make fun letters when I was in high school. That's what I used to doodle a lot, which is weird because I never liked my handwriting, but but I did like to make like bubbly letters and fill them in with fun stuff. And then this, and do you remember like the S that you used to make with like 6 lines? I love doing that. I practiced it over and over again, so I have to start incorporating that too. And then this one is reverse stenciling, and then I used a Stabilo all and some washi tape. Very similar to Dana Wakley and how I saw a page that she did, and I was kind of inspired by that. So I love these kind of quick kind of shapes that you can make, just simple shapes. So that was a fun page. I love that page. And then this one is 5 reasons to make art. So again, we did list making. So I listed 5 things, 5 reasons why I make art: to bring light, I forgot to add light into a dark world, for the joy of creating, to share because it's in my soul, and to relax. So those are the 5 reasons that I make art. And then 10 facts about me: I'm from Colorado, I am loved, I am a teacher, I love candy, I sung in a choir. I don't sing in a choir anymore. I take lots of walks, which is very true. I love painting with my fingers. I love to read. I am Catholic, and I love roses. So those are 10 facts about me. So again, fun, very easy. Like I said, listing is such a fun way to journal. And then this one is really fun. This one I just used a bunch of things that I had in my stash. So this is under paper that has like watercolor on it. It's like finger paper, like this paper, so it's really shiny. I love to add layers of stuff on top of it. And then I added some black India ink on that paper too. So I tore that out. And then I kind of like cut out I think this is maybe from like a book page, and I glued it in. And then merely a misunderstanding. You must not act in haste. Seek advice. Talk to her. So imagine change. And I don't know why I put those words together, but I thought they made sense. But I thought it was fun to kind of find interesting words inside of the heart. So I really love that page. And then I did some collage, and then that's the back. So really fun. I hope you enjoyed this flip through of this beautiful journal that I totally enjoyed making. Let me know what other kind of videos you guys want. I know I've been doing lots of journaling and abstract painting. I'm going to try to do more crafty videos too, because I kind of miss that. I'm totally into journaling right now and abstract painting. So I've been doing a lot of that, but I will try to mix it up a little bit too. So let me know if there's anything that you want to see, because I would love to do it for you. Okay, guys, I will see you later. Have a wonderful day, and take care. Bye-bye, guys.